Seriously? Wow, really? What?
Everybody's got their problems. Everybody says the same thing to you. It's just a matter how you solve them. And knowing how to change.
We're on a trampoline. Oh God, I fell.
Stay over there.
So skilled.
Oh yeah.
Ah, bug went on my nose.
How to right? See right in front of it.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna bounce. Double bounce, that is. Ow, ow, ow. Oh God.
Where's my hockey stick?
Oh no. Some more of the bloopers.
Perfectly.
Now it's recording. Okay, bloopers right now.
Let's fail.
Shut up.
Good for you.
I'm gonna retry that. See, failed last time we did bloopers. Don't record that.
Do it.
Don't put subtitles.
I'm gonna do a backflip kick.
No. Keep recording on me.
This is still going.
I'm going in.
Whoa, he's jumping pretty high. He's spread. Oh my God. Oh, it's kind of weird. You shut up for your boobs.
Okay, you can stop it. Hey guys, so we're gonna be out here sleeping on a trampoline for the night.
This is gonna be awesome. Just hold it.
There's 5 minutes left on my camera. Hey guys, I haven't vlogged much. Actually, I haven't vlogged at all today. My first vlog here at 3 in the afternoon. That's because we just had Buff Stuff 10 over, and like I said last night, we were going on the trampoline to sleep. That went well. Anyway, now I'm going golfing with my boss, so wish me luck. I probably won't bring you, but if I do, I'm not gonna cameraman him. What you just saw was actual footage of me playing Donkey Kong Original. It wasn't me acting, that's the way I play video games. So we're going golfing. This is Liam. He's golfing with us. Here we are on the golf course. Air horn. My room is clean! Okay, I've seen Caters do this once, but, ow! See you guys! Good morning, viewers. It's a Monday here, and mostly on a Monday I'm all depressed. But today is the last week before exams. And exams are done after, and then after exams comes, that's supposed to be a drum roll, summer vacation!
You can still sit next to me.
Okay.
It's on Saturday night. I was like, I don't care. Come outside. Not even on. There's no light. Oh, it is. I need to show this to the camera. No, I already did. Okay, I already did. Just making sure.
Naughty, naughty.
This is impossible. It's pretty epic. We're doing like a members this food challenge.
It's not on YouTube, is it?
This? Not yet.
Not yet. Well, now my vloggers are gonna get to watch a preview of it. Sucker.
Coda. There. No. Here we go. 1, 2, Coda, go.
Yes!
Now, let's go back so that we get the Coda. Not yet, not yet. I want to just take it from the top and then so back at the top. And we take the Coda FR15. Okay? Here we go.
Yeah, that's why I like it.
Top, take the Coda.
Not because it's easier, but I like hitting stuff.
I don't think we could.
Hey guys, I went golfing today with a friend. Didn't really want to be cameraed, so that's my vlog. I'm gonna do some other stuff today. Other than that, I might write in some commercials, so see you guys in the morning.